Changing your plan on MemberStack is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Login. Access your MemberStack account by entering your credentials on the MemberStack login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the dashboard. This is usually found in the profile menu or sidebar. Step 3. Select billing. In the account settings, find the billing section. This area contains all information related to your current subscription and payment methods. Step 4. Choose new plan. Look for the option to change your plan. Review the available plans and select the one that best fits your needs. Make sure to read any details regarding features and pricing. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily change your plan on MemberStack. If you have any questions or encounter issues, consider reaching out to MemberStack support for assistance.